If you're looking for the best Forex training for beginners, Forex Wealth Code is a good place to start because it's free and introduces core trading concepts. However, no training course can guarantee trading success, and learning Forex takes time, practice, and solid risk management. In this review, I'll explain what Forex Wealth Code teaches, who it's designed for, and whether it's a good fit for someone who's completely new to Forex trading. Forex Wealth Code is a free online Forex training webinar centered around a strategy presented by Toshko Raychev, who is described on the sales page as a 3-time world trading champion. The webinar introduces the basics of the Forex market and discusses a structured trading approach. It also explains why discipline, consistency, and risk management are essential for long-term trading. If you've been searching for beginner-friendly Forex education, this webinar aims to provide a simple starting point before moving on to more advanced topics. One thing I appreciated about the webinar is that it doesn't assume you already understand Forex. Here's what beginners can expect to learn. How the Forex market works, understanding currency pairs, basic market analysis, risk management principles, trading psychology, why following a plan is more important than chasing quick profits. Rather than encouraging emotional decisions, the webinar emphasizes creating a repeatable trading process. So, is Forex Wealth Code the best Forex training for beginners? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want a free introduction that explains the basics in a beginner-friendly way, it's a strong option. If you're expecting a complete professional trading education in one webinar, that's probably unrealistic. Think of it as your first step into Forex, not your final destination. Most successful traders continue learning, practicing on demo accounts, and improving their strategies over time. Let's see the pros and cons. Pros: free to watch, beginner-friendly explanations, covers risk management, easy to follow, good introduction to Forex concepts. Cons: not a complete trading education. Requires continued learning and practice. Forex trading always carries financial risk. Before you decide, let's answer a few questions people are asking about this product. What is the best Forex training for beginners? The best Forex training introduces market fundamentals, risk management, trading psychology, and realistic expectations. Forex Wealth Code is one option that offers a free introductory webinar for beginners. Is Forex Wealth Code good for beginners? Yes, the webinar is designed to explain Forex concepts in a simple, beginner-friendly way and focuses on foundational knowledge. Is Forex Wealth Code free? Yes, the introductory webinar is promoted as free. Can beginners become successful Forex traders? Some beginners become profitable over time, but success depends on education, practice, discipline, and effective risk management. There are no guaranteed outcomes. Does Forex Wealth Code guarantee profits? No. Like any legitimate trading education, it cannot guarantee financial results or future trading performance. Overall, I think Forex Wealth Code is a useful starting point for anyone curious about Forex trading. It introduces important concepts without requiring any previous experience, and it encourages a structured approach to learning. Just remember that no webinar, course, or trading strategy can guarantee profits. Building trading skills takes patience, discipline, and continuous education. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out the free Forex Wealth Code webinar using the link in the description. And if you enjoy honest reviews of trading courses, investing tools, and online business opportunities, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.